y'all. Hey, long time no see. I don't know what to say. I just ain't had it in me. If I can be honest, I just ain't had it in me. Yeah, I tried like for 2 weeks straight. I tried to vlog. Just didn't work. Didn't work. Hated all the clips. Hated everything. Things didn't work out. I was like, you know what? Can't worry about it. Can't do it. So here I am today. And if I can be honest, y'all, if I could have my way, I wouldn't be leaving the four walls of this room. I just don't have it in me. But I gotta go out today. I gotta go to the mall because my laptop, that's another thing. My laptop is messed up. It won't, and it sounds so simple, but y'all, I've done everything I know how to do. It won't connect to the Wi-Fi. It won't stay connected to the Wi-Fi. Like, it'll try to connect, like it'll say it's connected, then immediately disconnect, and then it'll keep retrying it, and so I literally can't do anything on it. I can't go into the settings, because if you go into the settings, it's like, oh, do this, you must be connected to Wi-Fi to do this, all this and that. So I gotta go to the mall today to go to the Apple store to get this thing looked at. As far as I know, that's all I have to do today. But yeah, I need to get dressed. I just don't have it in me. Yo, my hair is a mess. I'm trying to find something to wear that matches my hat, because baby, I can't go out with this. But I get my hair cut on Wednesday. God is good. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna wear. Yeah, and the weather in Michigan, y'all, I don't know what she's going through. She's very bipolar. Like yesterday she was snowing in the morning, then around like 3 o'clock she was bright and shiny and a little bit warm, then at 7 o'clock again she started snowing. Ma'am, and now today it's all bright and shiny like it's spring. Man, we was just in a winter wonderland yesterday. What's happening? So I'm gonna need get it together quick, fast, and in a hurry. But let me stop rambling. Let me go get ready, get dressed, so we can get out this house. This is the outfit I'm thinking about wearing. I'm thinking about wearing this Black Panther shirt, these cargo pants, and my Nike sweater. I don't know how it's gonna work out, because I feel like the cargo pants are gonna throw it off. But y'all, I don't feel like wearing no tight pants today. It's just back up off me, you know? So I don't know. I don't know how it's gonna work out, because I only have like two. Hello, can I y'all, this camera, I don't know. I'm just like, I only have like 2 pair of pants that are like not skinny jeans or tight. And so I'm like, okay, the other ones don't work because of the color scheme. These are camouflage. Is it gonna work? I don't know, but we gonna see. I'm gonna get dressed. So I got the fit on. It's honestly, it looks good. It looks good. I'm just putting in some earrings because I feel like earrings usually make me look less boyish. So, putting my, can y'all see? Is it gonna focus? It's not gonna focus. My cassette tape earrings. Putting those on because they're big. I want to wear some bigger earrings. Usually when I wear a hat, I try to wear like bigger earrings. So I'm wearing these. I was gonna wear my key ones. Let me show them. If I can get the earring in, dang. I was gonna wear, where is it at? Hello. Oh, I was gonna wear these earrings, but they're heavy. They're real heavy. So that's not gonna work for me. So, and then I was like, I couldn't find these. So I was like, well, I can just wear these. Is it gonna focus? It's hello. Hello. It ain't gonna focus, but they're butterflies. Okay. It's a hoop earring with like butterflies around it. I was gonna wear those, but they just weren't the vibe for me that I needed. So yeah, I was like, thankfully I found these. And then my fragrance today is this. Don't ask me what it is, because I don't know. I just found it in my drawer. I think it was my mom's. I just found it in my drawer. I sprayed it in the air, said, yeah. So it smells delicious. So yeah, that's the fragrance for the day. Like I said, I don't know what it is because there's no there's nothing on it. So there's no label, no name. She's anonymous. So I need to go. It's like 2:30. I have to be there. My appointment is at 3:20. It takes me like 25-ish minutes to get there. So I need to go. Well, I need to take my allergy medication before I leave this house. Because, baby, I haven't taken my allergy medicine in like 2 days. So let me do that. Oh, let me see if I can try to show y'all fit. Oh, it's 2:38. Okay. Let me see if y'all can see. So yeah, bear with me. I got the shirt on, the pants. Ooh, ignore all that, and then shoes. This is why I don't vlog, because my room, she be in her own world. I think I'm gonna carry the big mat in today because I got my camera today. Some stuff in Big Madden. Hold on. Some things in Big Madden. Hold on. Okay, she's empty now. So just transfer everything from Little Maddie to Big Madden. Whoa, Little Madden to Big Madden. Now we're secure. Oh, the strap. All right. Now we're ready to go. Oh, the jacket, girl. And it's cold outside. Let me grab this jacket. Grab this jacket. I'm not gonna take my watch today because it's dead. I forgot to charge it. I could charge it in the car. Do I want to do that? Yeah, because I be feeling naked without my watch. So, got my watch. Let me grab the charger. Oh, almost forgot the laptop itself. But yeah. Okay, let me see. Let me just try one more time before we leave the house. Because if I make a blank trip and they be like, oh, it's working now, I'm gonna be hot. Okay? So let's see. Let me open her up. She should be nice and charged because I charged her all day yesterday. Girl, why is she not nice and charged? Well, I guess she got a little bit of charge, but come on now. You was on charger all day yesterday. What you doing? Focus. Thank you. Y'all see right up here the little Wi-Fi thing. She just continues to move and groove. Is it not gonna focus? Oh, okay. She's just in her own little world, in her own little element. I have reset this thing. I've shut it down manually. Done everything I know how to do. And she just won't pull through. So we finna go get her looked at. Now come on. We finna go get her looked at because she don't want to do nothing. She don't want to work. So let's go. And we're off to see the wizard. Oh, y'all can't see me. Focus. Girl, thank you. We're off to see the wizard. Girl, I gotta get in this car. Gotta get in my car. Ooh. Y'all, this focus is going to blow me. Blow me. Thank you. That's all you have to do. Ooh. Whew. Don't get comfortable, y'all, because y'all know y'all finna get down. Y'all finna get down. What is on my phone? Because see, come on, somebody move. No, I think I only got like 3 Drake songs on my phone. Me and Drake just don't get along like that. And the songs that I got, they from like 2016. That's it. But sometimes I can't do Drake. He just be making my stomach hurt. So yeah, me and Drake, we don't be getting along like that. We just don't. We don't mesh. But I'm finna drive. I don't think I'm gonna vlog while I drive, y'all, because y'all know I'm finna be having the tunes. So we'll see. But I will see y'all at the mall. Y'all, I don't know whether to be happy or upset. I feel like that mom, you know, your child is like,
oh, I feel so sick. I don't feel good. I need to go to the hospital.
You take them to the hospital. Now they in the hospital room flopping and bopping like nothing's wrong. That's what I feel like. Because y'all saw me. I said, let me try this one more time before I go up here. Because if I go up here and nothing's wrong, I'm going to be upset. Y'all saw what the computer was doing, right? While I go in here, bloop, she automatically connects to the Wi-Fi. He start opening up tabs. He like, it's fine. I said, sir, this has happened to me at 2 different places. I said, it happened to me at church because it won't connect to my church Wi-Fi, and it happens to me at home. It won't connect to my home Wi-Fi. That's the only reason why I brought it in today. He said, okay. He was like, I understand that. He was like, let me test some things, make sure it's not your hardware or anything. We sat there for 10 minutes for him to run the test. Why is she working fine? Nothing's wrong with it. He said, yeah, you're fine. He was like, it's just, he was like, you just need a little update. I said, and I tried to do that, but I couldn't do it because it wouldn't connect to the Wi-Fi. He said, yeah. He was like, that's an issue. I was like, he was like, if it keeps happening, he was like, just bring it back and we'll try to do it again. He was like, or if you can't get it to connect to your home Wi-Fi to do the update, bring it in and we'll connect it to our Wi-Fi and we'll do the update for you. I was just like, there's no way. I made a whole appointment, brought the computer in, and it's just fine. Nothing's wrong with it. He did like a whole test. Like it ran through like 40 different things where it tested. He was like, yeah, your computer's like perfect. Girl. So yeah, I had to give me a drink because I didn't know what. I was like, I'm upset. I mean, I'm not upset. I'm just confused. Because at home, you act like you ain't had no common sense. Now you want to act. I got me a smoothie. It is a mango guava smoothie. Do I think it's going to be good? I don't know. But it was between a smoothie or Thai tea. But the place that we got up in here that has a Thai tea, I'm not a fan of them. I've had them twice, like with boba. Well, the first time I had boba from there, it was all right. Then I had like this matcha drink. That wasn't good. And I was like, do I want to try the Thai tea? Because I like Thai tea. And I was like, nah, I ain't gonna do it. They had another place that has like, they have like boba and smoothies and something else. But that place was slamming. I was like, well, I know where I need to go. But I didn't feel like waiting in that line. But let me try this. It's thick. Why do I taste a hint of banana? I just can't win today. This tastes like banana. I just can't win today. It smells like banana. Do I go back in here? I really don't feel like it. Like I real deal don't feel like it, but it smells like banana. And it tastes like banana, and I don't do banana. So I went back in there. I said, excuse me, I think I got the wrong, smoothie. It's, I said I asked for the mango guava, and it tastes like it has bananas in it. The lady looks at me, she goes, oh no, I made that one for you. There's mango and guava, no bananas in it. Slides it back to me. I'm just not in an arguing mood today. So I'm gonna try it again. I got some water, let me cleanse my palate. Let me think mango and guava thoughts. Okay, let me think. Mango guava. Nope, still tastes banana. I don't know what kind of mangoes and guavas they use, but never again. I need to go. Maybe I'm hangry. What is my sugar? Because maybe that's the case. Girl, I don't even know. But I'm gonna go home. Because like I said earlier, I didn't want to leave the house. So I'm gonna go home. Okay? That's what I'm gonna do. Put this car in drive, put it in reverse, back this baby on up and drive home. Because I ain't got it in me today. I ain't got it in me.